Hey DIers, welcome back to another exciting episode of Savvy Core Skills, your go-to channel for all things home improvement and DIY. Today we have a fantastic project lined up for you that's both quick and easy, but will make a huge impact on your home's decor. Welcome back to Savvy Core Skills, where we turn your home improvement dreams into reality. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just starting out, we've got tips and tricks to help you succeed. In today's video, I'll show you how to install a sleek floating shelf in any room of your home. Floating shelves are a fantastic way to add storage and style without taking up floor space. This is a super quick and easy upgrade that will instantly elevate your space. Imagine transforming a dull wall into a focal point in just under an hour. Before we jump in, here's everything you'll need for this project. A floating shelf kit. These kits usually come with the shelf itself and the necessary brackets. A power drill. This will be your best friend for making precise holes in the wall. A level. Ensuring your shelf is perfectly horizontal is crucial for both aesthetics and functionality. Anchors and screws. These will help secure your shelf to the wall, especially if you're drilling into drywall. A pencil and measuring tape. These will help you mark out where to drill and ensure everything is aligned properly. And of course, a bit of patience. DIY projects can be fun and rewarding, but they also require a bit of time and effort. Step 1 is finding the perfect spot for your shelf. Consider the room's layout and how you plan to use the shelf. Is it for displaying decor, storing books, or perhaps holding kitchen essentials? Make sure it's not just stylish, but functional too. Think about the height and accessibility, especially if you're planning to place frequently used items on it. I recommend using a measuring tape to mark out exactly where you want it. Measure twice, drill once. This will save you from making unnecessary holes in your wall. Got your spot? Great, let's move on. Now that you've marked the perfect location, it's time to get your tools ready. Next up, use your shelf bracket as a template. This will ensure that your holes are perfectly aligned with the brackets. Hold it against the wall and mark where you'll need to drill your holes. Make sure your marks are clear and visible. Don't forget to use a level. This step is crucial to avoid a crooked shelf, which can be both an eyesore and a functional issue. A crooked shelf is a DIY fail we can avoid. Take your time to ensure everything is perfectly level before you start drilling. Now, it's time to drill. Make sure you're using the right drill bit for your wall type. If you're drilling into drywall, a standard bit will do, but for brick or concrete, you'll need a masonry bit. If you're drilling into drywall, be sure to use anchors so your shelf stays secure. These little pieces of hardware are essential for distributing the weight and preventing the shelf from pulling out of the wall. Trust me, the last thing you want is your shelf crashing down after you've styled it. Properly installed anchors will give you peace of mind. Once your anchors and screws are in place, it's time to attach your shelf. Carefully align the shelf with the brackets and slide it into place. Slide it onto the bracket, give it a little wiggle to make sure it's snug, and boom, you're done. Make sure it's secure and doesn't wobble. A sleek floating shelf in under an hour. It's amazing how such a simple project can make such a big difference in your home. Now comes the fun part, styling your new shelf. This is where you can get creative and make the shelf truly your own. Whether it's books, plants, or picture frames, this shelf is as functional as it is stylish. Mix and match different items to create a balanced and visually appealing display, and there you have it. A quick and easy way to upgrade any room. This floating shelf not only adds storage, but also enhances the overall aesthetic of your space. A quick and easy way to upgrade any room. Whether you're looking to add a touch of elegance to your living room or need extra storage in your kitchen, a floating shelf is a versatile solution. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more simple DIY tips and tricks. We're always bringing you new projects to help you make the most of your home. Don't forget to leave a comment down below if you have any questions or suggestions for our next project. We love hearing from our community and are always looking for new ideas. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. DIY projects floating shelf home decor. Keep crafting, keep creating, and keep making your home a place you love.